it to gold. TA with TI Joey Bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy, never the mission.
All right, guys, here we go in 3, 2, 1, Piper Academy. Oh, and I didn't even center this. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. A bingo bango, a bingo and a bango. Good morning. Where is everything? Is everything centered? I don't even know. All right, so I was struggling to try to make it on time. A lot of stuff going on, guys. A lot of stuff. Welcome back. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition. This is the TA portion, the Trade Academy on Trade. For the Trade Academy show. Of course, this is the Piper Academy Network. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition. I just need to make sure that everything is active. Let's go to live chat. All right, good. So we are live. Excellent, guys. Excellent. All right, I think everything is great. Yeah, everything's good. All right. So let's go and get started. Once again, man, today's been busy. Today has been busy. If you are not making money, don't worry, you will. If this is kind of confusing as far as, how to enter a trade, what to enter. Don't worry, we got you. Of course, we have my show at 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And of course, the Piper Academy show at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will be drinking a lot of water. My voice is very hoarse just due to the fact of making a lot of videos and, of course, doing a lot of talking. All right. If you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. Of course, I will write them down and then we will get to those. Right now, virtuals, man, this AI stuff, this AI stuff is making people money. Now, most of these coins are not on exchanges. So if you know how to use a DEX, which is a decentralized exchange, you are making some really big money. Of course, you can use different platforms, whether it's Jupiter or Radium. You can use, Uniswap connecting your MetaMask wallet. And, there's Base tokens, there's Solana tokens. Those are the two main ones. Solana tokens were really, really hot. And now it's moving more towards Base. So just kind of give you all a heads up on that. Let's go and get started here. We do have Ondo with 2% on the hourly. Everything's kind of settling down. There's more greens now than there was on my show 4 hours ago. A lot of red still. And we're going to see red. We're going to see red. Now, what we're looking for is a decoupling from Bitcoin. And we can kind of see it now where Bitcoin is starting to come down and the alts, they'll come down, but not as much. So if Bitcoin, when it used to go down 5%, the alts used to go down 10, 15%. Now we're kind of seeing it to where, matter of fact, I was looking at Doge. Bitcoin's coming down. Doge is staying the same. I had to refresh my page. I had to exit and come back in because it wasn't moving. And, Bitcoin was coming down, nothing. And then Bitcoin started coming up. And Doge was still starting to move. So to me, this is an indication that we're starting and we're getting closer. Man, I got to do this, guys. Sorry. All right, sorry about that. Jesse says, told you. Ooh, I hate it when people tell me that. I told you. However, Jesse, I will let yours pass because you have informed us with a lot of really great tokens. And so here's the difference between people saying, I told you, and what Jesse does. One, somebody will say, hey man, you should check out Jupiter. Jupiter's like amazing, blah, blah. You should check out Radium. Radium and Jupiter, they're the top two dexes on The Solana Network, Penguin, Pengu, that was a great one. Link, you got to do Link, man. Move is amazing. Dot, blah, blah. Bread is the biggest, meme coin on the base ecosystem. ICP is going to absolutely kill it. FET token, man, this is the best one. You got to get into this one. Aptos is going to change lives, man. You don't even know. STX, this is Bitcoin, dude. This is Bitcoin. You need this. This is the Bitcoin. And they go on and on and on. Give you 20, 40, 50 of them. And then one of them moves 40%, 80%. I told you. Didn't I tell you about that? Yeah, man, but you showed me 40 others in that 1 week. And Jesse doesn't do that. Jesse, very selective with what he tells us. Jesse will say, you might want to check out this one. I'm doing you a favor. We'll check it out. It's like, I don't know. And I said, chart looks, let me deep dive. So I'll do a deep dive. It's like, okay, I'm liking it more now. There was actually one of them where I saw the chart. I was like, nah, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I go and I do a deep dive. It's like, okay. I can see the potential. I can see what it's doing. You know what? I like it. This is where I would enter, et cetera, et cetera. So Jesse, when he says something, you might want to pay attention. You might want to write it down. Always have a notebook. Always have a notebook and write this stuff down, guys, because this is going to make you money. It really is. We got username in the house. Username. Here. Do you feel that? I don't even know how to answer. I'm not going to say nothing. I'm back, Tradester Joe. Thank you, man. Thank you for being here. I was getting worried. I was actually waiting to start the show, waiting for you. And it's like, I don't know if we got to do a search party. What's going on? Should we cancel the show? But I'm glad you're here, username. I am very glad you're here. And of course, if you haven't already, definitely smash the like. Smash the like. It does help support the channel. It's free to do. And it makes you feel great. Makes you feel great. So AI rig complex. Don't know if that's a coin or if you're saying something. AI rig complex. But we might check it out. We'll see. Let's see here. AI 16, killing it. Has its own ecosystem, killing it. Virtuals, their own ecosystem, killing it. And Jupiter, in my opinion, Radium, anywhere where you can use these DEXs to trade these tokens that aren't on centralized exchanges like Binance, Gate.io, MEXC, KuCoin, you're going to want Jupiter, Radium, and others. So because of that, these coins are going to do very well. Of course, you have the base, tokens on the base ecosystem. And so in my opinion, where's Aerodrome? It's probably right in front of me. But Aerodrome is going to do very well. Now, for me, I'm still having issues with connecting to the base ecosystem. I actually, man, I was so desperate. I actually went to the Aerodrome website to connect my wallet, my Uniswap wallet. I have Ethereum that I already have bridged over to the base system, ecosystem, but I still can't buy tokens on the base network. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know. I can do Solana tokens easily, and I've done some base tokens, but I have issues with other tokens. I don't know why. I say Solana tokens using my MetaMask, I don't know, a lot of times, and it's worked every single time. On the base ecosystem, I've tried it like 8 times, and only 2 have gone to where it was successful. I don't know. Let's see here. Retro Mike. Gary is ripping up 4%, probably. Let's see here. All right. Good stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Let us look at, it's over here. Let us look at Bitcoin. So this is what I was looking at on about 4 hours ago. About 4 hours ago, we were looking at this. Bitcoin was right here. And, I was saying at this time, I was like, could we short this? Yes, we could, but we don't know if it's going to pump here. We don't know if it's going to come down. This, in my opinion, like my intuition tells me the market makers want us to see this and this low volume node, no support resistance in this area. If we break below this, Like, it's going to come down here. This is what they want us to think. Now, could it? Sure, anything can happen. And there's nothing stopping it too. There's literally no support resistance. It'll come down, go up, come down, go up, come down, maybe all the way down to here. But they could be tricking us, and everybody starts opening shorts and then gets liquidated. So for me, I'm just going to wait. I'm going to save my money. Could I make money going on the way down? Sure. Could I have done it from way up here? Sure. Was it breaking levels that we saw? Sure. However, because we're in this area of bullishness, all-time highs, everybody FOMOs, and that's the other thing that we have to realize is everybody FOMOs. So this right here would be a 20% pullback, and this would be a great area. And this is pretty much where I drew my stuff. This will be a 20% pullback. This will be a 30% pullback, pretty much right where I drew my stuff. Do I think we're going to go 40%? I doubt it. But, we'll see. We'll see if, it pulls back to those areas. Nobody knows, only the market makers. And that's because they make it. They make it happen. Let's see here. We have Crypto Coin Mindset. Nice to have you here, brother. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate everybody smashing the likes. Appreciate everybody. Darren does things. What's going on? I'm late, catching up from the beginning on 2X. Oh, maybe I should talk really slow and then freak him out. Should I do that? Should I start talking really, really slow? I'm trying to do that. Let's see here. Going and looking at this. I didn't know you could watch 2X on a live stream. If you rewind it. I didn't know that. So here is our zone. This is our decision zone. Is it going to go up or is it going to go down? It did. Let's zoom in. Let's look at this on the 1 hour time frame, just so we have more ups and downs. And we got this from here. We use the magnet tool. That way it's, very precise. We went, where do we go? What levels? Oh, from here, we started right here. And then we connected it to this one. I believe that's what, we connected it to this. And then, so we get more touches. We got a touch there. We got a touch there. The more touches you have, the stronger it is. And then sure enough, price came down. This was the opportunity for it to bounce up, then break this level. And now we're starting to get bullish again. We're not bullish until it crosses this level. And came down, excuse me, rejection. Higher low, good, rejection. Now, of course, if you're a pattern trader, which I am not, but if you're a pattern trader, this is something what you would see. Something like this. And if you squint your eyes really, really tight and shake your head really, really fast and spin around in your chair at least 30 times, you're going to say this is a bear flag. A bear pennant, which this is not. This is an ascending triangle. However, two completely different things. But again, if you squeeze your eyes really, really tight, do all those things that I just mentioned, you'll say, well, that's because that's what you want. That's what you want to see. For a pennant, this is a pennant. Well, actually, it would be kind of more downs, kind of like this, I guess. They have to be like that. To where and that's not even a good pennant, but it's definitely not this. This is more of a flat top. And I can draw it however I want, and that's the thing with patterns. They're very subjective. So for me, this is it a flat top? Let's zoom in. I don't even know. I can make it whatever I want. That's the beautiful part. Let me just do a flat line. How's that? Let me just do a flat line. So let's go from here. Let's hold down shift. So it's a flat line. There we go. There's my ascending triangle. I have a connection there. I have a connection there. I have a connection there, and these candle tops. This is my ascending triangle. I can make it whatever I want. And this is saying that it should go up. However, some people may squint their eyes and do all that fun stuff and say, oh, this is a bear pennant, which it's not. But it went down, Joe. Does that mean you're wrong? We can do a bear flag. Can I make it a bear flag? I guess. I consider this. I mean, it's not perfect, and usually they're not. But I'd say bear flag. So again, these can be very subjective. This looks like a very good bear flag, almost textbook. And we can do the measure move from here. I prefer to do it from here. But if we did it from here, spot on. Patterns, in my opinion, will be what you want them to be, in my opinion. And they will play out if they play out. But what I do is I do this. I can see all the pattern traders already. Joe, I think that's drama. You need to put that on your channel. Because it's a drama-free zone here. It is a drama-free zone here. But for me, I don't like patterns. One, subjective. You just saw two really great examples right there. But for me, I just keep it simple. Here is my level. It cannot break below this level. If it does, well, we lost support. It broke it, okay. Here, it needs to break this level. And if it does, it needs to find support. Simple, easy. No patterns, no memorization, no anything. And one thing here on the Piper Academy Network, of course, Army Piper, I told him, I said, dude, I do different stuff. It's not, your typical, patterns. He says, no, Joe, you're good. I said, okay, just want to make sure. He goes, and that's the beautiful part about this network is that you get people who trade differently, who mentor differently, who have a different thought process on different things. And for that reason, that's why I said, Piper, I would be honored to be on the network. I really would. And I am. And that's what I do. For me, patterns, very subjective. You can do a pattern. I can do a completely different pattern. They could be completely bullish, one bearish, one bullish. And then who's ever right. Let's see here. So we came down after we broke this. I mean, it looked like it wanted to go up. Are there any arguments with that? Looking like it wanted to go up, came down, came up, resistance, came down, lower high, came up, resistance, 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 trying to break through, couldn't do it, came down. This looked like it was trying to fight, couldn't do it, broke the level, come down. Everybody starts shorting. Everybody starts shorting right here. Break at this level, short. Short. See here. Yes, retro Mike is very true. Dinosaur patterns, the best patterns. Yes. That was funny when you first did that. I was like, what is that? Is that a monkey? Is that a lobster? What is that? So, yeah, so it broke this, came down only to liquidate everybody who's shorty. This is so wrong right here. So wrong. Oh, look, I mean, because we see this, guys. We see this. This, in my opinion, is so clear. Stevie Wonder, for all you youngsters out there, probably don't know who I'm referring to. Stevie Wonder could see this. It broke the level. It couldn't break above it. And then it broke below our next level. Straight shot here, easy. Next one here, easy. Yeah, this one maybe not so much, but this one for sure. And what did it do? It went right back up. So if you have any coins, guys, let me know. The very beginning of the show, of course, I go over Bitcoin. Then after that, that's my only content is Bitcoin. I have nothing else. So I rely on you for tickers. I rely on you for questions. Now, of course, with this is the majority of people in here, they know how to trade. They're just here for support. And man, my heart goes out to you because you could be doing anything else besides listening to me. And I appreciate you guys so much for being here and for smashing the like. And the thing is, for this channel, for this show, the 4:00 show, it's literally a 1 hour free mentorship. If you have any questions with anything crypto related, patterns, even though I don't trade them, I know how to use them. Divergence, anything, moving averages. And I love debating people with the moving average. I already know y'all, Joe, we know it's not a magnet. You keep on talking. It's not a magnet. It's not. It's an average. Anyway, moving on. Let's see here, going down the list. Let me see if there's anything in the chats. Going down the list really quick. We do have one, I believe, but I did not write it down. Oh, here it is. AI rig complex. Don't know what that is. Don't know if that's a coin or what have you. Let's see here. I see usernames, comments. You guys are funny. Let's see here. U-hand. Crown U, diamond hand. King U, diamond hand. No idea. But welcome. You can slap ETH on Coinbase for free with an account. You can. I don't like Coinbase. I really don't like Coinbase. The fees are just way too much. Excuse me. I used to trade Coinbase a long time ago when I first started. Sorry. I used to trade Coinbase a long time ago. I don't want to go back to Coinbase. Coinbase reminds me of my beginnings. I don't want to do my beginnings. Let's see here. Going down the list. See here. So we read that one. All right. Okay, almost done. Okay. Mr. Hockey, I think he was trying to look at the pattern. He thought, squint my eyes, really tight, shake my head really fast, spin around in my chair. Whoa. That's funny. You guys are nuts. See here, Darian, let's play the AI game. Jesse's really good. See here, Robert says, this makes a lot more sense until I'm trying to figure things out, not trying to remember dinosaur, piranhas, and unicorns. Yeah. So, and what gets me, I started trying to learn all the patterns. Then, of course, there's so much room in my brain, really, so much room in my brain. And then I started hearing about candlestick patterns. The doji and the falling star and the rainbow bride and the three crows and three doors down and crying baby and baby with diaper and all these different candle names. And then not only do you have to know each candle name, but then each candle, if there's like a certain amount of them or certain ones that are grouped together, well, then that's a different name. Forget it, man. Get out of here. Like, nursing school was easier than that. Becoming a registered nurse was easier than all of that stuff. Get out of here, man. So what I do, support resistance. This is how easy I make it. If it breaks this level, good. If it breaks this level, bad. Simple. But Joe, that's too simple. Where's your fib retracement and your moving averages and your fixed range volume profile and this tells me what I need to know. Now, granted, do I know how to use those other tools? Yes. Do I love them? Absolutely. But this tells me what I need to know. Now, of course, the point of control and everything else. Absolutely love that. Don't get me wrong. I know how to use it and I love it and I use it all the time. But just to simplify it to the very bare bones, good, bad. Good, bad. Simple. That's what I do. I keep stuff super, super simple. You can complicate it all day long. I make it simple. All right. See here. Daring Does Things says, I have a great discern for pattern traders. Now, I can, so for pattern traders, patterns, all they are support, resistance, and trend lines. That's it. We have a falling wedge. Okay. We have X amount of percent that's going to break to the upside. Okay, granted, I know the percentages. I don't like saying them because my old mentor used to say the percentages all the time. I don't like saying them. I just say you have a higher chance of breaking up. Now, granted, would I probably get more credibility if I said, 68% chance, 74% chance, blah, blah, 62%? Yeah, probably. But I just wanted you to know that there's a more percentage that it's going to go up than down. Now, for me personally, I break it down super, super simple. What goes up will come down. Basic, right? What goes down will go up. Basic, right? It'll go down unless it's going to rug pull. It's literally as easy as that, in my opinion. And for this, saying it's a falling wedge or a cup and handle or a bull flag, or just keep on if this continues going, well, then now it's just a channel, falling channel. So these names, it doesn't matter to me what you call it. When it breaks this level and the highs, I call it money. I don't care what you call it. I call it money. Once it breaks out and then breaks my levels up top, call it money. But yeah, as far as pattern traders, all it is support resistance trend lines, and they just put a name to it. And then, of course, it gives I don't use it because it gives me a bias. Oh, well, it's a 74% chance it's going to go up. 68% chance it's going to go down. If it breaks a level, good. If it goes back in, not so good. Simple. Simple. That's what I do. That's what I do here. That's what I teach on my channel. And of course, on this channel. So I'll give you a heads up. Let's see here. See here, going down the list. Mike, Retro Mike Tech says, Alexander G told me to be here or else. I love it. See here, Jesse says, AI Rig Complex is a crypto coin. Okay, so we will look at that. Hopefully that's easy to find, but we'll see. Let's see here. Stevie Wonder could see it. Yes. I'm telling you guys. Got time for Sui? Yeah, definitely, man. We would do Sui. Thank you, Baba. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you, man. See here. Going down the list. Jesse says, that's why I use CoinStacks Pro. I just got that one. Excuse me. I just got that one for my, can you trade on that too? I don't even know. I connected some of my accounts to it, and it's pretty cool because I don't have to go to my Phantom wallet to see my coins and then go to my MetaMask and see my coins. I just go to that one. And thank you for the heads up on that one too. I appreciate it. See here. CoinStacks Pro is paying all my fees on Coinbase. Can you trade coins on Coin? I got to check it out. Oh, you connect your Coinbase wallet there. Smart. Give me a coin, an AI coin that hasn't already 6x. Yes, I agree. We got Crypto Billy in the house. What's up, Crypto Billy? What's going on, my friend? Okay, going down the list. Okay, going down the list. Crypto Billy says, I look at patterns for Confluence. They work with other TA, of course. Love them. Yeah, some people love patterns. I don't. I wouldn't say I hate them. I just say that they create a bias for me. And people who use patterns, great. Absolutely great. But please, for the love of God, do not, here's candles, here's candles. For the love of God, please do not say this is a bull flag on a 1 minute time frame with one candle. Please, for the love of God, do not say that. This is not a bull flag on a 1 minute candle. And, the candles are like this. I mean, you couldn't even squint your eyes and spin around in your chair fast enough to see this as a bull flag. One candle. So this is what I'm talking about. So we got a bunch of 1 minute candles, right? 1 minute candles, 1 minute candles. Here's the break. and then a 1 minute candle, and then they're calling this a bull flag. No, no, definitely no. Again, no drama here, so I will stop with that nonsense. But if this, for example, this right here is not a bull flag. The people that I watch to get content from, to warn my community about this particular person, this will be a 1 minute time chart, would say, look at this. We have a bull pennant. This is a bull pennant right here. It's going to go up to the upside. Look at this. Great. Blah, blah, blah. It's crossing the 200 SMA. It's not going to go up anymore. It's going to go down. The target is way down here. And then it flips. Well, it crossed the 200 SMA. Now it's going to come up here. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Be very careful, guys. Be very careful who you watch. Be very careful who you look up to. Be very careful who you follow, because that is dangerous. They are literally wrecking people. I was raised morals, ethics, integrity. That's how I was raised. And I hope it's shown, not that I have to say it, but I hope it's shown. So for me, this is why I teach for free. I give you all of my secrets for free, all of them. And it kills me when I see, man, why am I still doing drama? Y'all want to see drama? Go to my channel. Go to my channel. Hey, we got Piper. Ooh, I just caught it. Ooh, Piper, man, I was gonna start doing drama. I gotta keep that drama down to my channel. Keep it down. Be nice, Joe. Be nice. Yes. Look at that. I already got a warning from the boss. But I tell you, man, it really, really gets me. It really gets me, man. And you know, this whole community, this network, like, we're trying to help people. We are trying to help people, and it gets me. It really does. It's my passion to help. It's my passion to help. And then when I see what I see from certain people, it gets me. The boss said, Joe, you're fired. Oh, got a DM. The boss said I'm fired, guys. It's my last day. Let's go out with the glory. Let's go with the bang. No, I'm playing. I'm playing. Joe, you been drinking? I want my water. I don't know if I'm coming under the weather or if I'm just talking too much. But my voice has been hurting since yesterday. Let's see here. Going down the list. Let's see. K Diggity says, patterns make me laugh. But at the same time, it's enough people talking about the same. Yeah. So, and this is why it's important to understand patterns. So for me, I don't like patterns, but I see them. And I see it all the time. I say it all the time too. When there is officially a bull flag, I'll say, you know, here is a bull flag. I don't trade patterns, but this is what other people see. And because other people see that, you want to trade with what people are trading. And then more than likely it's going to break up. And then when it does, great. More than likely, this is going to be their target. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my target underneath theirs, so I'm ahead of the game. But yeah, when it comes to patterns, you have to know patterns. You really do. Same thing with divergence. You have to know divergence. Same thing with all these other tips and tricks that we show you. You have to know that. You really do. Let's see here. Going down the list. Let's see here. AI coins. Neurobro. Yeah, man, that one's crazy. Low-key. I think I've heard of that one. Yeah, Convo. Yeah, if I were y'all, I'd take a screenshot of this, guys. All that right there is alpha. All that there is alpha, and those aren't very high market caps. I've been looking at all of those. Those are very good coins. That's alpha right there, guys. Take a screenshot. Let's see here. Road Dog says, first again. Let's see here. Road Dog. What's up, my friend? Let's see here. Look at them. Oh, yeah. Yeah, those all right there were just not straight up alpha. Neurobro doing things. They partnered. No, not partnered. but they're doing big things. I have so much research that I've been doing. Sometimes I get them confused with what's doing what, but I just know they're doing big things. If you don't have Neurobro, you might want to look into it. Not financial advice. All right. Moving on. Damn, my throat. I have cough drops. One second. All right. Hopefully I got it out of my system. See here, Cryptocore Mindset says, Joe, I think it's time for that blood pressure medicine. I tell you what, man, I get worked up, man. Seeing people getting, I gotta be good though. Y'all want drama, come to my channel. I talk all the smack, but I gotta be good here. All right, so let's see here. Darren says, we got to call out the bad eggs. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, for me, I don't care. Oh, you see, y'all are egging me on. Y'all are saying, Joe. Yeah, be nice, Joe. Who invited that guy? This guy. Yeah, so just kind of give you a heads up. I do call out bad apples. I do call out bad eggs. I do call out people who are bad. But I got to be careful. You know, I told Army when I was coming on, I said, no drama, man, drama free. They want drama, they go to my channel. But man, I got stories to tell you. See here. Yeah. See here. Joe the Charge Joe. Okay. Sorry. I get read the charts. Stop talking, Joe. Read the charts. Bad habits need to be addressed. All right. So see here. Jordan says, just subscribe because your voice has potential to tell the best campfire stories. Yeah, I have a lot of stories, guys. But with that being said, so that I stay employed, hopefully, we will go on with the show. I don't think that's an actual coin name, AI Rig Complex. We're going to try it, though. We are going to try it. Of course, of those of you who haven't already, definitely smash the like. It does help support the channel. It's free to do. And if you're not already, please subscribe, because, again, that does help support the channel. All right, Rig Complex. Oh, ARC. Dude, that one. This one is a beast. I've been looking at this one. This one is on Twitter. And a lot of good things have been said about this coin, ARC. And I'm pretty sure Jesse gave us this one. ARC. So what is ARC? ARC is this. Nothing. Let's go. What is their market cap? 313. Where are they at? What markets are they at? Radium. No surprise there. And that's it. And so Radium. So this is saying that it's not on DEXs. I'm sorry, it's not on Sexes. It's not on KuCoin or Gate.io or MEXC. And just imagine if you do get into this, not financial advice, and you hold it, and then it gets listed on all these smaller exchanges, and then MEXC, then KuCoin, then who knows, your $100 that you invest could turn into 100,000 or 1 million or a quadrillion or a kabillion. Who knows? Not financial advice. All right, moving on. So the tags, it just says Binance Alpha. So these are some of the Binance Alpha tokens that are here. Some of them have done really well. Market cap, you can see that. Let's go ahead and let's go back to ARC. And let's go to the website. Let's see what's about. We take the red pill, then the blue pill. Yes. Here's our contract address. Okay. So let's go ahead and get their contract address. Did it copy? Nothing says copied. So let me copy it. Let's go and chart this. Okay. So this one's doing nice. This is one that I have posted. Entered here, lower looking for a lower entry here. Didn't happen. 65% within, shoot, like an hour or two, whatever that time frame is. And then almost got to 144%. A few. These coins, like I said, guys, these are going to kick butt. This is on base. But anyway, let's go up here. Let's place this in. ARC, the market cap, or the volume is this. So let's go to this one. Market cap is 300 million. It looks nice, but Joe, it came down. People are going to sell. People are buying and selling. That's what they do. This looks good to me. So drawing levels of my eyeballs. Let's go to the magnet tool. Let's go to the horizontal ray. We have one level there. We have another level. I mean, it's a so-so level. We have a nice trend line. Snap in place. I want this one. I just do it here. I'm going to cheat. Just going to do it there. Let's go to a 1 hour time frame. I like it. We had this. I broke this level with a vengeance. Came up. Let's go ahead and adjust this to here. Currently underneath right now, I think it's a steal. I think this one's a great one. So what I would do, see here, where is my horizontal, right? Well, heck, I just do it right here. I just do it like this. Just do it like this. Let's do this, and let's change this to a blue. Because my blue is my entry, and then here, enter now. Of course, not financial advice, 50%. This is a chart for me personally, so I'll give you a heads up. And then look for a lower bid, or for it to come down to here. But I need to see what the pullback is. 20%. I would like to see more of a pullback. I don't think we'll get it. I don't think we'll get a 20% pullback. I mean, we can try it, hopefully. So hopefully, if you're lucky, it'll break this level and this level. And then if it does, but for this one, I don't know how you can set alerts or anything like that. So you would, oh, could I do this? ARC? Oh, where's my, oh, here it is. Can I do this ARC and then put this? Is this the right one? So it's on, the only thing I really wish on exchanges, you could verify the contract address. I really wish, because is this ARC? I mean, it has the same emblem. Is it the same one? Price is 28.5. Price is 28.5. 26. So I mean 29. So I mean it's about the same. Oh no, this is 29 cents. The other one was 0. So I don't know. I wish they had the contract address. ARC. You know, is this CoinX one the correct one? I'm sure this one is. $29. ARC. I'll just do this one because this is more than likely the correct one. Oh, it has a contract address in the name of the thing. So JB or J3B6. The JB, oh, y'all can't see it, but it's up here. Yeah, this looks like the right one. 67. think so. Yeah. So they actually have the contract address in the name itself. So that's smart. So this is the correct one. Well, it's on exchanges already, which is good. So 29. So I just don't know if MEXC is the correct one. But I like it. So what I would do is I would do an entry now. And we'll do text. Today is December 30th. December 30th. Time is, man, that's embarrassing. Joe, you talk too much. See here. Jesse says, it is. It's that one, man. It's that one. Stop messing around. All right. So I would do that. I would look for a lower entry. If we get so lucky, about 20%. I don't think so, but you know what? Let's just shoot for the stars. Let's go 30%. You know, if it pulls back this much, hopefully we can do a lower entry here. And this one, I mean, literally, sky's the limit. On all these coins, sky's the limit. So on this one, go from here to here. And since I pulled from the top to the bottom, I like setting the reverse because normally I pull mine from the bottom to the top to get the retracement levels. Since I'm doing the top to the bottom, I flip it. So these would be my targets way up here. But like, to be honest, you can just pick anywhere. 80%, 100%, whatever, however long you want to wait. So here we can do one. You know what? We'll do one up here. And these will go up here. I mean, there's been several where I put 80% my first target, 125 is the next target. It just, so here's the trick, guys. Here's the trick. And some people don't like hearing it, but I love saying it. It doesn't matter where you put your target. Joe, you're going against the norm. I don't care. I can put my target way up here. How long do I want to wait? But Joe, you have a higher chance of getting here. Yeah, because it's lower. Lower targets will hit faster. It's literally like saying, I can only get to across the office or the room or wherever if I put one foot in front of the other. Same thing with this. This target will hit a lot sooner than this target. How long do I want to wait? And it's different if you're in the bear market. If you're in the bear market, you don't want to have targets like this because literally you'll be waiting 3 years. But right now, since we're in the beginning part of the bull run, shoot, if you want, you can put this 500%. You're going to have to wait, maybe 8 months or maybe 2 days. I don't know. But a lot of people don't want to hear that. It doesn't matter. You can have a fib retracement, fib extension. At this point, these coins are going to go up. Now, here's the kicker, though. Let's say I take that into consideration. I have my targets 300%, 200%, but it only goes up to 150%, maybe 200%. And my first one is at 250, goes up to 200%, and then it dies off. There's another token that does more, or maybe the narrative changes. We will get out these tokens, and well, guess what? Since I didn't take profit, I didn't get any money. So it's best to take profits along the way up. How greedy do you want to be? If I were you, I would do, whatever makes you feel comfortable. If you want to do one at 30%, another one at 60, another one at this, go for it. But right now, every coin is going to make you money. I'm not a genius when this hits 150%. I am not a genius. Give it enough time and watch. Everybody. We called this coin out 2 months ago, and it's up 300%. Yeah, so is the rest of the market. So is the rest of the market. Oh, I need to change my camera. The sun is changing. There we go. We can see you now, Joe. Yes. All right. So we did this one. This is what I think. I really like this coin. Oh, we didn't even do any. Did we go to the website? I don't remember. What was the website? Oh yeah, we went to the website. The website is nothing. I forgot why I like it so much. I think just because people are talking about it. I don't know what all this stuff is. Anyway, okay, moving on. The only other coin, which is embarrassing. Sorry, guys. Sometimes I get to talking. See here. Username says, I gotta be careful when I put those things up. See here. It's going down the list. See, Road Dog says, when you zoom out to apply patterns, they are very effective, in my opinion. See, might depend a lot on who you learn from. Yeah. Bluskowski, I can never say his name. I've been to that site before. I don't like the site. The information on the site is gold, absolute gold. It reminds me of like 1999, 1990s internet, dial-up modem, not even 56K. I'm talking 26K. Yeah, I'm bringing it back to the old days. That's how the site is. They need to just bring it up to like the 2000s, the early 2000s, and I'm good. But I don't like the site's appearance. The information in there, pure gold. He's got statistics. I learned a lot from that site when I first started. Then I found Investopedia, and I stuck with Investopedia. It's more appealing visually to me. But see here, going down the list. See, KD Diddy says, shows your passion to help and the truth in your heart regardless. Yeah. True. I would rather be ousted by many than loved by, I don't know how to say it, but I would rather be ousted by many than lying to myself and going with the crowd. I've never done that. I've never like gone with the crowd because they're doing something. If something's wrong, it's like, nah, man, I'm good. I'm not a follower. That's what it is. I'm not a follower. I'm a leader. And if you don't want to be led by me, that's fine with me. I'll lead myself. I don't care. And that's what sets me apart from a lot of people. Like, you can love me, you can hate me. I don't care. You know, I know what's right in my heart, and I know I'm doing good for people generally, you know. So it is what it is. All right. See here. I don't want a burger. I want a steak. I'm gonna get a steak Friday. I thought today was Friday. I was gonna go get a steak, but no. See here. I gotta be careful with what I put. I just saw there was username. I gotta be careful. Okay. Let's see here. Let's go to YouTube. Let's go and look at SUI. That'll be the last one. And I appreciate you guys for being here. Today may be my last day. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what the boss says. But if y'all want drama, go to my channel. I stream every day, Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I give you the PG stuff here just because out of respect, but sometimes my passion, it gets to me. It gets to me. Whoa, what's going on here? Turn off the secret sauce. Turn it off. So this one, we're looking at it here. We're saying that it might come down and then come up. And then, well, we want to wait for the 4-hour candle to close above this level. Set your alerts. But it's not advisable to enter prior to that because, well, it might come down. Here is our trend line. If it does come down, we would love to see it come down to about 30%. And this would be a great buying opportunity. Absolutely great. Price came down kind of bouncing off of here, broke below and struggling to break above. Not happening. This right here could easily come down to get this liquidity that's left behind. Very, very doable. And then we have this little bit of liquidity and then this buying pressure that just shot up. Now, if I wanted to secure a lower entry for sure, I would say right here. Not saying that it will happen. It might. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Nobody. What do my indicators say? Oh, what does my indicator say? All right, so it did pull back 20% from the high, pull back 20%. So this would have been a really great time to enter. And then a lower entry would have been here, or would be here. So let's just change this one to here. And then this one's already too late. All right. So that is that. All right, guys. Well, that is it for me. Let's see here. Jesse says Bitcoin down 1.03% the last 42 minutes. Bitcoin is coming down. Whoa, doggy. Am I touching a short? Nope. I'll let it do its thing. Hopefully I can put my lower entries for these coins, and then hopefully they'll hit. Most of my entries are 20 to 30% lower, and hopefully they hit. If they do, great. And if they don't, they just take off. Well, at least I'm in it already. All right. Well, I do thank you guys very much. My name is Joe. This may be the last time I see you. My name, of course, is Trade Intuition, where sometimes I wear my passion on my sleeve. Is that, if that's a saying? I don't know. I'm just saying, I really do care about you guys. I care about everybody in the space. I don't want y'all getting wrecked. There's a lot of people out there that are bad, very bad. They will say, God bless you, with evil in their heart. And just like that too, look at the camera, just evil in their heart, and say, God bless you. I hope you never watch my channel again. God bless you. Man. Show who you are with your actions. Speaking of that, the action is now to go. I do thank you guys very much. It's been my pleasure. It's been my honor. And once again, my name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, or Trader Joe, or TI Joe. I do thank you guys. We'll see you next time. Make sure to watch all the channels, all the videos that are on top. They finally got that scrolling. We have a whole bunch of content here on the Piper Academy Network. This is the TA portion, the Trade Academy portion, with me, Trade Intuition. Thank you guys. We'll see you later on. Take care.
In the land of digital gold, TA with TI Joe, we bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy Network, the mission. Bulls and bears, we ride the wave. Trading crypto, feeling brave.
Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time. Take care.